movement inspired by nature. Here in the Sequoia National Park, giant trees, giant movement, and tracing like the trees, or like le tronc, I don't know what is in English. We do today a double diamond flower in air element. Here, 1, 2, 3. I would like to go on the transition between that movement and the tracing up and down that we could have in here. And we can keep going into that flower. So how we'll do that? One circle up, and on the up motion, it's time to go and trace. I'm here, air element, 1, 2, up, trace, let it down. And if you don't have done it before, just think of up, trace, up, trace. So it does mean that my first one goes front to back, under the armpit, while the other go back, over the shoulder to the front. And if we do both together, boom, boom. The tutorial will go fast, and the objective is more to just do a movement based on what we do see here. So up, up, tracing. And you can start doing it again. You can trace whatever side. If you want, you can go up. And now you're more in spin, or you can go in your anti-spin and work with that. I wish you the best, and flow moment, why not?